Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Temdao token. Ticker symbol is TEM, T-E-M. This token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Temdao token. So it's sitting at about 6 cents per token. Just got listed on CoinGecko, brand new listing, but it is down 3.2% today, which isn't a whole lot, but it is down. Their official webpage is temdao.io. So this is an Ethereum token. I don't know if it's listed on Uniswap. It does not say on CoinGecko, but we're going to check the Etherscan here in a second. But it is listed on a central exchange called Kucoin. So if you're looking to get this token, basically you would go into the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, download Kucoin, open an account, fund your account with USDT. You can get Kucoin on your PC as well. Fund your account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section, search TEM, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. I believe I saw it listed somewhere else as well. I think it might have been listed on... Was it? No. Okay. So yeah, if you check their Twitter, basically they're just talking about how they just got a listing on Kucoin, and there is an airdrop event going on right now. It says stake to get a TEM airdrop, and that is in their pinned tweet, and you can check that out. But yeah, so check their Etherscan here. It says they have 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 500 billion tokens. And I do not see any Uniswap trades on their Etherscan. So looks like, yeah, for now it is just available on Kucoin. So you'll have to download Kucoin if you want to get this token. So it says, we're democratizing culture and history. We are collectively funding and advancing World Heritage protection and development in an open and democratic manner. We're pioneering decentralized masterpieces of human creative genius, and here's how. So within their ecosystem, it says you may have heard about Temdao, a block World Heritage List, culture and history research marketplace, and IP NFTs. So what are IP NFTs? It says a protocol that is entirely open sourced. Check our documentation on GitHub, it says. So I guess you got to look at that to find out more about IP NFTs. So I believe this is translated, by the way, their webpage, because the grammar seems to be a little bit off, so it's kind of difficult for me to read. It's not because I don't know how to read. It's because some of this doesn't make any sense, so I'm having to try to reword it as I go. I believe this is translated. So it says, Temdao Tech Stack. We are decentralizing financing, and governance processing within the World Heritage Development. To achieve this, we're pioneering approaches to fractional and decentralized IP and tourism resources. Number one, you may have about Temdao, it says there. So like, what does that even mean, right? And yeah, they kind of repeat themselves a little bit. So then they have their featured projects on here. It says founded in 888, the year 888, by the 59th Emperor Uda. Nina G. Temple has had imperial sons and grandsons serving its chief priests for the past 1,000 years. To realize sustainable protection and repair of the Nina G Temple, Nina G Temple will explore the potential of bringing together the world of Buddhism and the world of Temdao. All expenses will be transparent transactions recorded on chain, making corruption impossible. The aim to build the world's first decentralized religious spiritual community. So yeah, I guess they're just trying to like protect all these historical like monuments and items and things like that. And I guess it's kind of like a charity token, it seems like, but it's also a DAO where you decide which historical things you want to protect. That's what it seems like to me. But again, kind of poorly translated here. They should have done a better job with that. So TEM is the governance token, which is used to vote and govern global heritage funding proposals. There's two forms of governance at Temdao. Number one is soft governance, off-chain voting, and number two is on-chain governance, on-chain voting. The governance is divided into 3 steps. So they have the idea, the proposal, and then the on-chain vote. In addition, the vote escrow, TEM, so they have their own token there for the voting escrow, which is VETEM, which is the ticker symbol. So you get that by locking your TEM tokens, and then you can decide on proposals and where the funds are going to be distributed to. Participants can manage their assets from the TM and accumulate their reputation, which is in soul-bound token SBT throughout the implementation process after fundraising on our platform. So let's scroll down here, see if we can find a roadmap. So there's tokenomics on here. Utilities for this token is obviously governance, paying commission fees, staking, and depositing. Token distribution, 10% of the tokens go to team, 14% marketing, 14% development, 62% ecosystem. And then they have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. I don't know if they have a roadmap on here. They also said that should check their white paper, but I don't know if they even have a white paper yet. I don't see a white paper listed anywhere. So that's strange. They're saying check the document. Oh, there it is. At the very bottom of the page, you could find a, yeah, even that doesn't have a roadmap. Their documents don't have roadmaps either. So it says docs.temdao.io, and then you're going to have to go /English because, like I said, this is translated. But yeah, this token is just all about protecting historical monuments, you know, heritage stuff, kind of like a charity type of token. It doesn't say anything about taxes either on here, so I'm not sure if there is taxes. So if you do buy this token or sell this token, let me know in the comments what you had to set slippage to help out others. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.